Now we are discussing this menstruational cycle. We know that we have for the sisters. We have this sisters. So all females in their lives, all females are crashed for that in the menstruation cycle. Particular time it will be here in the females only. So the menstruation or ovarian cycle is approximately 28 to 28 or 29 days. So the time of reproductive life of reproductive stage of females, reproductive stage of females from menarche, puberty to menopause. Except during this pregnancy. At the time of this pregnancy, the menstruation cycle is not happened. So what is menstruation cycle? The cycle of events starting from one menstruation period till the next one is called menstruation cycle. The cycle of events starting from one menstruational cycle, one menstruation period till the next one is called menstruational cycle. So the cycling changes what will happen in that menstruation cycle. The endometrium it will be breaks up. Endometrium it will be breaks up. So cyclic menstruation is an indicator of normal reproductive phase. So the menstruation takes place in the females. So those females are attain this reproductive stage, attain the reproductive stage. So that is called as normal reproductive phase. So menstruation cycle is composed of this menstruational phase, follicular or proliferative phase, ovulatory phase, luteal or secretory phase. Menstruational phase. So it starts from this 3 to 5 days. Doing that this menstruation phase. So what will happen in this 3 to 5 days? So it is a breakdown of this that endometrial lining of the uterus. Blood vessels are decline in level of this progesterone. Decline the level of the progesterone. So the fertilized egg is not fertilized. Egg is not fertilized. So absence of pregnancy. Absence of this pregnancy. So in the absence of the menstruation may be indicator of pregnancy. So absence of pregnancy means menstruation is takes place in the females. So absence of menstruation means it is a find out of this pregnancy. So at the time of this stress, hormonal disorders, anemia, so some of the causes for the disease, it will be low level of the endometrium, low level of this endometrial wall, it will be breaks up. That is menstruational phase. Menstruational phases takes place in this that last 3 to 5 days. So what will happen in that this menstruational phase? The endometrium breaks up in the uterine wall. So the blood level is declined. Why it is the blood level is declined? The progesterone it responsible for that this in this period progesterone and estrogen. So that egg is not fertilized. Absence of menstruation it is the indicator of this pregnancy. It is the indicator of pregnancy. So next one it is follicular phase. So follicular phase means at the time of this fifth. So till this ovulation until the time of this ovulation in between for that this ovulation and that fifth day during this phase primary follicles ovary becomes fully mature remaining progesterone and gestagen it will be regenerate simultaneously. So that ovary and uterus introduces secretions of the gonadotrophic hormones, that means the follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone, it will be regenerate. So increasing the follicular phase, increasing the level of the follicular phase, it stimulates the follicular development and secretion of estrogen by the follicle cells. So only this estrogen is responsible for that this in the follicular stage, in the follicular stage. So the follicular stage is the fifth day after this until the time of this ovulation. This phase, the primary follicles, it will be fully matures, and also the Graafian follicles, this endometrium, it will be degenerates. Regeneration, that is also for this proliferation is takes place. So at the time it will be produced for this follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone, it will be segregated. So during that period, so it will stimulate the astrogeron in the follicle cells developments are here. So next one, it is ovulatory phase. So both luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone peak the level at middle, that is called the 14th day. So maximum segregation luteinizing hormone, maximum segregation. So follicular cells வந்து என்ன இருக்கும் astrogeron. So இங்கே வந்து என்ன இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா luteinizing hormone. So it is a rupture of the follicle cells and release the ovum. So rupture of the follicle cells, that means the secondary oocytes are formed in the ovulatory phase. This process is called ovulation. So at the time of this fertilization takes place, the ovary wall is a peritoneal cavity, it will be occurs, that leads to this pregnancy, that is called this ovulation. Next one, it is a lutein or secretory phase. It is that remaining all the parts, it will be regenerated. So by this endocrine class, that is called this corpus luteum. Corpus luteum secretes a large number of progesterone. It is essential for maintains the endometrium. So progesterone, that is the females are produced this progesterone and estrogen. Progesterone, it is that responsible for this the endometrium of the uterine wall. So if the fertilization takes place, it is implant the uterus. It is implant the sperms in the uterus. So uterine wall, it gives some of the segregations of this nutrients in the fetus. So it is called as segregatory phase. During this pregnancy, all the events of menstruation cycle is stops. All the events of menstruation cycle is stop. So 4 phases are finished. Menstruation cycle. So it is 4 stages are here. What is first one? Menstruation cycle. So menstruation cycle is happen in the 1 to 3 days. So the endometrial layer is breakdown. So that is called this menstruational phase. So it is responsible for this estrogen and progesterone. That is called the menstruational cycle. So that ovum is not fertilized. Next one, it is that follicular phase. So 5th day to this ovulation. The 5th day is until the ovulation, that is called this follicular phase. It goes for this endometrial layer, progesterone and segregate large number of progesterone and estrogen will be segregated, and estrogen is the follicular development is here. So next one, it is that endometrium proliferation, all the things is happens or regenerates. That is called follicular phase. Next one, it is that ovulatory phase. That is that in between of this 11 to 14. Okay, 14th day. So luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone attain for this that some particular maximum. The luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone segregation is maximum. So the luteinizing hormone surges introduce the rupture of the Graafian follicles. It ruptures the Graafian follicle and release into the ovum. So it is fertilization takes place. It will be called as ovulation. Next one, it is luteinizing phase. It is called as for this luteinizing phase. It is that segregation remaining of the Graafian follicles, everything it can be transferred into the endocrine gland. That's called this corpus luteum. Corpus luteum segregates a large number of progesterone. So it is that maintains the endometrial layer. So remaining one of this, in this fertilization takes place, it travels into this, it implant the uterus. It implant the uterus in the fetus. Fetus is implant in the uterus. So this phase is also called as segregate phase. During the pregnancy, all the menstruation cycle is stops. Okay, next we discussed about this menstruational hygiene.